Hey guys, in this very short lesson, I'm quickly going to prove that the variance of y is simply equal to the covariance of y with itself. Okay, so we're going to begin with the definition of population variance. So we know that variance of y is equal to the expected value of the square of the difference between y and its population mean, that is mu y. So once we've done that, we can rewrite this as follows, because this is a perfect square. So this becomes y minus mu y times y minus mu y. And I've done nothing except just rewrite this bit over here as follows. Okay, now notice that this entire expression that we've just obtained is simply the covariance of y. So of y with itself. Therefore, we have proven that the variance of y is nothing but the covariance of y with itself, because this expression right here is the definition of covariance, hence proven.